Hey everyone, I hope you're all doing okay and staying safe. Yeah, so it's been a while since I've done a living room update. I've been quite busy with the actual acoustic panel installation. So as you can see from the shot, the wall is looking good. So I've just got the panel on the right to go, and once that's installed I can finally get the TV on there. So it's been 3 weeks since I did my partial unboxing of the CX 77-inch TV. I'll link the video in a card up above, so you can have a look at the TV itself and the inputs that are available. So I do a quick sort of run through of the inputs at the back of the TV. It's really only taken a while because I've had to add these wooden slats to the wall, and I've purposefully kept a bit of space in between each so that I can route any cables between, and there's certain areas where I know there are wires, so I've sort of tried to avoid the wires and I've been successful thus far. And yeah, you'll probably also notice the LED strip that's running across the perimeter of the wall. So was installed last week. I've got a review on that if you want to watch that. And here's the main final piece before the TV goes on. So I've got a cutout for the alarm panel. So hopefully this will get installed probably today or tomorrow, and then over the weekend I'll get the TV up where I'll do an initial look and just explore some of the apps on the TV and see how they stream content. I've also been doing some testing on this Ubiquiti 8-port PoE switch. So I've got an Ethernet cable from upstairs hooked into the PoE switch, and then the remainder of the cables will be used for any devices that I'll want connecting to it. So of course one of the devices will be the TV. So I've got the wire or the Ethernet cable ready for that. I'll also be adding an access point on this side of the wall, so on the left, just up there, to give better wireless coverage in the room. It's okay at the minute, but I want it to be perfect, so the access point will enable that. And that is pretty much all there is to this living room update. The next update will probably be next week when I've got the TV installed, where I'll be giving you first look at the apps on the TV and just general performance and what my first impressions of the TV are, which I'm hoping will be very positive, as I've watched plenty of reviews on the TV and I know it'll definitely be a massive upgrade compared to what I had before. So yeah, if you did find this video enjoyable or valuable in any way, please do give it a like, and if you want to keep up to date with my living room renovation, any future techie or gadget reviews and unboxings, please do subscribe. It's much appreciated. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.